Adaobi Okafor had always believed that love could heal anything. But that belief began to shake the day she moved to the city and met Emeka Nwachukwu. Emeka was everything she admired. Hardworking, handsome, respectful, and full of dreams. Their love grew fast, like fire on dry grass. They planned a wedding, dreamed of a future, and whispered promises under mango trees in the cool evening breeze. But Adaobi had no idea that Emeka carried a secret heavy enough to break a woman's spirit. The secret was named Madame Nzaka, Emeka's mother. The woman disliked Adaobi from the very moment she met her. She said Adaobi was too poor, too gentle, and not strong enough to control a big family. Emeka tried to defend Adaobi. "Mama, I love her. She completes me." But Madame